Dr. Salzarulo, why is it that so many people nowadays seem to be suffering from chronic fatigue? It seems almost like an epidemic. They drink coffee, eat energy bars, and take supplements, and at best, it seems to fix the problem temporarily, but they are still chronically tired.
Jelly, you're right. Chronic fatigue is a big problem in today's society. It seems like it's an epidemic. In fact, fatigue is at the top of the list of symptoms that many people have when they come to see me. They tell me that they have tried so many things to help them have more energy and that nothing seems to have a lasting effect. And there's a reason for this. The reason is because they are not getting to the underlying cause of the problem. In my experience over many, many years, what I have found to be the major underlying cause is something called adrenal fatigue or even adrenal exhaustion. The adrenals are two triangular shaped glands. They are about the size of a walnut and they sit right on top of the kidneys, and they play a major role in our body's ability to manage stress and to manage energy. As a result of our very demanding and stressful lives, these glands become overwhelmed and they start to weaken in many people. And then we have symptoms. The major symptoms are you feel tired when you get up, you feel tired at various points throughout the day, sometimes you feel tired throughout the whole day. Often people complain that they feel lightheaded, they feel kind of dizzy, and they have cravings. The major cravings are caffeine, sugar, and or salt. So what does the average person do? They drink more coffee and caffeinated beverages, they eat more sugar-laden foods, salty foods, they take energy drinks, they eat energy bars, they sometimes take handfuls of supplements, anything to give them a boost to get through the day so they can perform the tasks that they need to take care of. However, when we approach it this way, it usually leads to a greater and greater dependency on these crutches, and that leads to a downward spiral where the adrenal glands become weaker and weaker, and that often has people feeling more and more discouraged and sometimes even hopeless. They feel like, when am I going to get my energy back? I am doing all these things and I just feel more and more tired. In my practice, I have several non-invasive tests to assess the health of the adrenal glands. If in fact these tests show that the adrenal glands are weakened, I put people on programs to bring the adrenal glands back to a place of strength. These programs usually entail dietary and lifestyle changes, targeted nutritional supplements, and homeopathic remedies. As the glands become stronger, most people report some really great things. They say they have much more energy, they're able to perform their tasks with much less stress, the anxiety starts to lessen or even disappear, and they just feel a lot better. They tell me that they have a much better sense of wellness. If you have any additional questions, or if you'd like to contact me, please visit my website at drsalzarulo.com. And what is important to keep in mind is that the adrenals respond very well to a holistic approach, because using this approach you are dealing with the underlying cause of the problem and not just the symptoms. I thank you so much for listening.